पणजी वन वे ट्रॅफिकाचो प्रयोग बरो चल्ला। वन वे ट्रॅफिकाक म्हयनो जालो। येरादारी खातें आतां आनीक 15 दीस तरी लोकांक तालाव मारचे ना। पणजेक मेळिल्लो प्रतिसाद पळोवन आतां म्हापशें, फोंड्यां सारकेल्या शारांनी वन वे ट्रॅफिक करपाचो विचार चल्ला। प्लानाचेर खंय ट्रॅफिक पुलिसांचें काम चल्लां। शारांच्या वन वे ट्रॅफिक प्लानाचेर ट्रॅफिक डीवायएसपी धर्मेश आंगले प्रुडंटाकडे उलयलो।
We will hold a meeting and we will decide accordingly. So लोकां कडल्यान खुबशे सजेशन्स आयिल्ले आसा आनी accordingly we have implemented those suggestions in various places. शुल्लक हें येतात बोर्ड ना ते बोर्ड आमी घालतात आनी मागीर हाजें येतात अमके वटेंतल्यान जर तर रस्तो हें केलो जाल्यार कशें जातलें. सो वी एक्सप्लेन टू देम इन सर्टन प्लेसीस वी हॅव इवन implemented the suggestions. I think by now everybody is happy, everybody is appreciated and whatever changes necessary have been done.
पणजेतल्या वन वे ट्रॅफिकाक पणजेकारांनी बरो प्रतिसाद दिला। आता बाकीच्या शारांनी वन वे ट्रॅफिक करपाची येवजण पुलिसांच्या तकलेन घोटा। प्लानाचेर पुलिसांनी कामय सुरू केला।
I am asking for suggestions from other towns which are coming within my jurisdiction of North Goa. I have told my in charges to conduct surveys and let me know whether any changes are required. Mapsa is there, Ponda is there. All these towns are coming under me. So my in charges are working on that. I welcome the suggestions of the public also of all over Goa. If they feel that there are some changes which are viable and which are better for the overall good of the town, then I think we should look into it.
Bureau report, Prudent.
कला अकादमीची तियात्र सर्त वास्को व्हरची न्हय, पणजी कला अकादमीतूच घेवची म्हणून राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेस मागता। सर्त अ आनी ब गटांत जाता। कला अकादमीचे मुखेल थिएटर सर्तीक मेळना म्हणून ब गटांतली सर्त वास्को घेवपाचो कला अकादमीचो विचार चल्ला। मात वास्को सर्तीक जाय तितले लोक येवचे ना। ताका लागून सर्त कला अकादमीतल्या उक्त्या थिएटरांत घेवची म्हणून एनसीपीचो ट्रॉजन मागता।
That this year the B group competition will be organized in Vasco. Now Vasco does not draw a good number of audience even for professional theatres. So therefore the amateur, it will be very difficult to get a crowd, and in such a situation it will be a discouragement for the budding amateur artist coming from rural villages. Our appeal is to Sri Vishnu Wagh not to fall prey to these pressure tactics. We also appeal to all professional theatrists, to all organizations which are connected for the betterment of Konkani, to stand up united. If for genuine reasons the AC hall is not available, the open air theatre should be made available to these budding artists.
5 ऑक्टोबरासान सुरू जावपा आशिल्ल्या फुटबॉल सर्ती खातीर गोंयची चलयां सध्या नेटान तयारी करतात। अंडर 18 फुटबॉल सर्त 5 ते 21 ऑक्टोबर मेरेन चलतली। सर्तीत 25 राज्यांचे 575 प्लेयर आनी अधिकारी वांटेकार जातले। सर्त राय पंचायत ग्राउंडार आनी नावेली रोजरी ग्राउंडार जातली। गोंयची चलयां मडगांव नावेलीच्या रोजरी ग्राउंडार सध्या प्रॅक्टीस करतात। गोंयची पहिली मॅच 6 ऑक्टोबराक जातली।
We are hosting the Junior National Football Girls Championship 2015, which comprises of girls under 18. This national tournament is being held after quite a long time. In all, there are 25 state teams participating, including Goa, which is hosting this championship. Matches will be played at 2 venues. One is Raya, the ground at Raya, and the other is Rosary ground at Naveli. Matches will start at 7:30, the first match in the morning, followed by the second match at 9:30. So the total number of matches that will be played in this championship are 45 till the finals. After the first league format is over, then we will go for the quarterfinals, semi-finals, and finals at Naveli. Finals will be played at Naveli.
इतल्याने खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता। पळयत रावत प्रुडंट। नमस्कार।